Hi, in this video I'll show you how to install and also how to replace the print heads on your Canon MegaTank G4280 printer. So the first thing I did is to open this top panel. If you don't know how, well, on the side here there is a gap. Stick your finger there and pull it up. There is a prop that will keep everything in place. Once you do this, the print head carriage will be gliding and stopping right in front of you, so just be patient. I'll show you how to install the print heads and then I'll show you how to replace them. So there is one that is marked with the letter C and the other one with the letter B. If you take a look here, there is the letter C and the letter B. It's important to install them the right way. So I'll open the package. This is the C print head. Remove the protector, the small label over here. Inside of the printer, we need to open this. As you see on the lower portion here, there is a blue latch. Stick your finger there and press up to open. Now, before gliding this print head, the last step is to remove the top label where it says pull. So I'll simply do this. Take it with 2 fingers and glide it in its spot. Do the same thing with the other print head. I have already removed the label covering the print head, and then I will remove the top label. Again, I'm gliding it until it falls in place. Then I'm going to bring the cover back and I'm going to make sure it clicks in place and it stays this way. When time comes to replace these print heads, you're going to open this the same way, and to remove one, you see there's a small lip here. You're going to grab it and take it out, buy a new one and glide it back in place. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.